Everyone, welcome in our today's class. My name is Victor Odigoma Ohe, and in our class today, we are going to examine a question, a problem from Weac exams on logarithm of numbers. If you had followed us in the previous classes, we have been able to do so many things that has to do with multiplication, division, powers and roots as it has to do with logarithm of numbers. We have been able to break it down in stages. Right now, we are now looking at critical questions that can come from logarithm of numbers. And I'm trusting God that we are going to learn a lot in this. To tell you the fact, I didn't solve this question before bringing it to this class. Why did I do so? I want you to watch me and observe my struggles in handling this problem and how I was able to surmount them. You learn. I don't want to talk too much about it. I have the society where we are today is desperate for perfection. Nobody wants to, show any sign that they have one mistake, error, or they can make mistake, or they can make, one commit one mistake or the other. And so many times it violates the principles of development and learning, because if the person who is tutoring you appears to look very perfect, many times it doesn't. It may convey the wrong message in the struggles you as a learner might encounter. So that is the basic reason why I decided not to handle this question and bring it to the class so that we look at it. The idea, the knowledge is already there. So let's see together how you and me can be able to reason out a solution to this problem. You watch. All right. Um, this problem is given to us, and you can see it clearly. There are so many things to do inside here. There is a root 4 covering everything. This 0.056 is raised to power 2. This 0.93 has a root. This 0.136 has a cube root. So, and there is a division and there is a multiplication. So all these issues are embedded in one question. So I want you to follow me and see how we can be able to, resolve all this. Okay, I have my logarithm table here. So you make your own available so that you can be able to check the figures I'm going to put up here, how correct they are. All right, I will start. Solution. Okay, and I am going to write a number log. Okay, number log. The first number will appear here is 0.056. So we have the two component parts, the characteristics part and the mantissa part. It's already discussed in introduction to logarithm. Please go and look at it again, because I will not spend time doing that here. All right, this is the characteristics part will be bar 2. So if you go there, you find out why it is so. Then I will now, let me also bring down the other one, which is 0.93. The characteristics part will be bar 1 point. So in my table, quickly, I will look for 56 under 0. There's no other figure there, so I will look for 56 under 0. 56, logarithm of numbers. Logarithm of numbers. Okay, 56, I've seen 56. 56 under 0 is 7482. There's no difference. If there is another digit here, I will follow that line, go to the difference section and pick whatever value it is and then add it to 7482. 56 under 0, 7482. 7482. All right. What about 93 under 0? There's no other digit there. 93 under 0. 93 under 0. 9685. 9685. Okay. It doesn't have, there's no other digit. If not, if there is, I'll go to follow that same line, go to the difference section, pick the difference, add it to this. All right. Now, this power here have to take effect on this number because it is embedded in that figure. Do you get? So now when you want to clear power, you use that power to multiply the logarithm of the number. So this will be times 2, times 2, and then we will keep whatever value it gives us, and this will be divided by 2. Okay, and then we also keep whatever value it is going to give us. What am I going to do now? Maybe I will bring the value of this one down here, bring the value of this one down here, because they are being multiplied, then I'll add them. So please follow me. Follow me. Multiplication will start from behind. 2 times 2 will be 4. If I extend it, I don't want it to go off your view. So I will put here 2 times 2 will be, let me come back a little bit, will be 4. Okay, 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 8, 16. Write 6, carry 1. Okay, 2 times carry 1, then 2 times 4, 8, plus that one, we make it 9. 2 times 7, 14. Write 4, carry 1. 2 times, this is regarded as negative. 2 times bar 2 is the same like 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. Then this positive, because this side is mantissa part, is treated like positive numbers. So it is like you're adding 1 to minus 4. That will return you back to minus 3. So you write bar 3 points. That's what we got from here. Now back here, we do the division. Now let me do it outside here before bringing in the figure. You will see it clearly. I want to divide minus or by 1.9685. I want to divide it by 2. Do you realize that 2 divide this is not possible? And I treated issues that has to do with bar notations as a single class. Please check out for the class where I did that, because I did thorough explanation with example in across multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Please. All right. So what I will do is I will bring this up, and I have my bar 2. Okay, I will have bar 2. So what am I going to do to this bar 2 to return it to here? It is to add 1 to it. Then I put 0.9685, all divided by 2. All divided by 2. So 2 go to this now will now give me bar 1. That's 2 divided by 2 will give bar 1. And then 2 divide 1, not possible. 2 decimal points and call this 19. 2 divide 19, 18 is 9. Remainder 1. 2 go to 16. It will give us 8. And 2 go to 8, 4. And 2 go to 5, 2. Remainder 1. We have got 4 digits, so we can keep it there. Now, let me bring this up here, because due to this multiplication here, I'm going to add this and this, emanating from this and this. So I will have, let me continue in the order it is. I will have bar 3.49664. Then I am adding bar 1.9685. 9842. That's the addition I'm doing because of this multiplication. I've said so already. All right, this is 6. This is 10. Write 0, carry 1. 10 plus this 18. Write 8, carry 1. 10 plus this 14. Write 4, carry 1. That one we enter here. I put the decimal point. That one we enter here, and it is like minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. Minus 2, then plus this minus 1 will return you back to minus 3, which you write as bar 3. We keep this. We are done with that numerator, and then we come down to this now, and then we now write still number log. Okay, it is just I'm continuing this. So I will write, what's the figure there? 0.136. The characteristics is bar 1.13 under 6. 13 under 6. 13 under 6. I will put, okay, there is a root there. I have to divide first before bringing it here. Okay, it will enter. 13 under 6. 13 under 6 is 1335. 1335. And this 1335 is being divided by 3. Okay, we will still do the same thing we did over here. Okay, let me do it somewhere here. I will bring this up and have bar 3. Okay, and how to return it back to bar 1 is to add 2. Then I'll put 0.1335, all divided by 3. So let me bring this one outside here. Bar 3.4806, and then whatever I get from here, I put it under here, because this division is saying something on that is 2 4. Let me make it bold. Bar 3.4806. I hope it's very clear now. All right, when I am done with this into this will give me bar 1 now. Bar 1 point. This into this, not possible. I will put the decimal point already and then call this 21. 3 into 21 is 7. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 5, 1. Remainder 2. But I've got 4 digits, so I've stopped there. This division, this information is coming from the numerator, and this is coming from this denominator. Then because they are being, this is dividing this, we subtract. So that is what I will do here. 6 minus 1 is 5. 0 minus 1, not possible. Take 1 here, make it becomes 10. And then 10 minus 1, 9. And then this is 7 minus 1, that's 6. 4 minus 7, not possible. I'll borrow 1 from here. So you are taking away minus 1 from already existing minus 3. It is now, you add what it is. So it will now be minus 4. So this will step down to minus 4. Then that one will go over here like a positive value, become 14 minus 7, which is 7. I'm sure that explanation is clear. So what is existing here now is like you are owing somebody 3 digits, and then you went to the same person and collected extra 1. Now what are you? It is a subtraction of minus 4. Okay, so this is bar 4. Bar 4 minus, like minus 4 minus into minus 1 will now return you to minus 4, like minus 4 minus into minus 1, which is now minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 3. So this is bar 3. I'm sure my explanation is very clear. All right. So where are we? We've been able to work on this, get this, work on this, get this, and then the whole of this have given us a value. So this have to come forward. All right. What we have there is root 4, meaning the whole of this divided by, that is, by 3.7. 6, 9, 5 divided by 4. Let me write it that way so that you see clearly what I'm working on. You understand what I did now? So let me, so that I can, this is over 4. Okay? Now, what am I going to do? I will do the same thing I have been doing before, bring this in up and then work on it. So I have bar 4, then plus 1, which will return back to this value, and then 0.7695 being divided by 4. So this into this is, let me take it over here. Let me take it over here. I think I still have space here. This will become bar 1. Then this into this, not possible, put decimal point in 4 into 17. You divide 16 and give us 4. Remainder 1 into another 16, 4 again. Okay. Then 4 into 9, 2. Remainder 1, 4 into 15. 4 will divide 12, give us 3. 3. Okay. We have got 4 digits, so we can stop here. So it is at this level we are now through with all the processes, all the values, things that we need to do here have been completed. Right now, I'm going to look for the antilog of this value. Okay, and you know the procedure. 0.44 in your logarithm table. 0.44 under 2 difference 3. Then this catalysis will also take effect in that figure. All right, so let's quickly get that. 0.44. Go to anti-logarithm table. Antilog table, yes. Anti-logarithm table 0.44 under 2. 0.44 under 2 is 27. Hope I'm the right position. Yeah, 2767. Did you see the struggle here now? Yes, if you don't get this figure correctly, you make a mess of everything you've been doing. So the figure has to be correct. So that's why I told you I didn't solve this thing before coming here, so that you watch and observe my struggles and how I was able to surmount them. Okay, so 0.44 under 2 is 2767. 2767. I'll follow that line and check the difference 3. 0.44 under 2. So difference 7 is, the difference 7 is 4. The difference 7 is 4. Okay, I'll add 4 here. And then I will now get 7 plus 4. 11, write 1, carry 1, put it here. In this 6, it becomes 7. Bring down 7, bring down 2. So I now have 2771 from the antilog of this. Give me this. Okay. Now, what is the effect of, what is the implication of this bar 1? I explained it even in the last class. That bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, they simply say the number of the zeros before the first digit. So I will just add 0 point, and this is my answer. From this problem, this is the result I have obtained. So if you followed me in the simplification, I don't think you will have any challenge sort of in handling any problem of this nature. So thank you so much. I still have more examples to give on this to prepare you adequately enough to handle any problem at all. All right, thank you for being part of the class. Do you like what we are doing? Please share it to someone, okay? Then click on the subscription button. It doesn't take anything. Click on the subscription button. It's just down there. Click on it. What is the essence? It's simple. Just anytime we make an upload, you will be notified. The notification button is also there. You also click on it so that you'll be notified that, oh, there is a new upload on this. If it is relevant to you, you look at it. That's the essence of that. And secondly is to support us to grow in what I think you will like us to grow. I think so. So thank you so much for doing that. God bless you.